In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add effects to text on Visme. Let's dive right in and explore the various ways you can transform your plain text into something vibrant and eye-catching. First, you'll want to start by selecting the text box you wish to style. Simply click or double-click on the text box. This action brings up the Edit Text panel, giving you a wealth of options to start enhancing your text. The Edit Text panel is a powerful feature in Visme, providing you with a variety of tools to bring your creative ideas to life. With the Edit Text panel open, the next step is to locate and click on the Effects menu. You can find this as a drop-down or tab within the panel. Clicking here will open up a world of possibilities, all tailored to help you customize and elevate the appearance of your text. Once you're in the Effects menu, you have several exciting options to consider. Let's start with annotations. Under the Effects section, you'll see annotations as one of the choices you can make. Here, you can select options like box, underline, or circle to highlight specific parts of your text. This is particularly useful if you want to draw attention to a particular word or phrase. Even better, you have the liberty to customize the thickness, height, color, blur, and position of these annotations, allowing you to tailor them to your specific design needs. If you're aiming to add some dynamic movement to your text, you might be interested in trying out the layout or curve effect. Head to Effects, and from there select Layouts. In this section, you can choose different curve styles, such as arch, bow, or circle. These styles can introduce a striking visual flow to your text. To further personalize the appearance, adjust the intensity parameter, which includes options like gentle, moderate, or prominent. This adjustment controls just how curved your text will be, allowing for subtle to dramatic curves depending on your visualization goals. For another captivating look, consider using the mask effect. Navigate to Effects and then select Mask. This option enables you to fill your text with images, shapes, or even videos, which can create a compelling and unique design. The padding slider within this section allows you to tweak how the mask fills inside the text, ensuring that your multimedia content fits snugly within the text outlines. After selecting your desired mask element, be it an image, video, or shape, you might need to place it strategically. Once placed behind your text, make sure to send it to the back. This action ensures that the text shows the fill effectively, providing a seamless look to your creation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can skillfully add effects to text in Visme, transforming your text into an engaging and professional visual element. With these tips, your presentations can achieve an extra level of flair, capturing attention more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!